Well, you can see the movement dito ng Cagayan Valley, as Miaka's pointing out, Michelle, na talagang very seamless na. Hindi na sila nagkakapaan dito, yung execution nila. Especially after a regalo, after a free ball, may kita mo, alam na nila yung purpose nila rito. Although ito si Rhea Di Maculangan, nagsisneaky pa rin.
Siyempre, magkakakilala na yan. Iba talaga, Noel, kapag kumalaban ka ng mga international teams.
Right. And you were together, itong grupo to were together for 10 days in another country na binubuhat po yung bandila ng Pilipinas. Nakakuha pa ng 2 panalo. I was saying earlier, Angge Tabaquero actually got injured in their second match in the preliminary round dun sa ABC Championship against Iran. Naglaro pa siya, bumalik pa siya in that game. So yan ang trooper talaga.
Yan talagang lalaban para sa kanyang bansa.
Eulalio with the runner, dug up that time by Abanto. Here is Caballejo ngayon, blocked there by Eulalio at sabi ni Wenet, no problem. So tied at 9. And Jonella not able to get to that attack from Micah Ortiz. One of the hardest shots to stop dito sa Shakey's B-League, yung running attack ni Micah Ortiz.
Noel naman, kung titignan mo si Micah Ortiz, ang kaya talaga niyang i-spike ay running attack.
That's
Wala
right.
na talagang andyan ang B-quick or A-quick niya, pero alas niya talaga itong running attack.
Pagdating naman sa quick, ilalaban ko naman si Pau Soriano sa kabila.
And when Leal.
Yan, Wenet Eulalio. Si Wenet, 2 tira eh. Kaya niya mag-quick, kaya niya mag-running. Pero specialty of the house ni Pau talaga yung kanyang quick. As Julian Caballejo loves the open spiker position. So, Rhea Katrina Di Maculangan, a.k.a. D-Mac. Serving. Tipachot. Deflected there by Semana. Here is Caballejo. Natapik that time ni Eulalio. Quick set ngayon. Papunta rito kay Micah Ortiz. Daga by Jonella. Regalo. Binuhay. Panandalian ng paa ni Wenet Eulalio. Pero wala na tao dun. Well, you know what, Michelle? Before nakalaban ng Cagayan Valley yung PNP sa kanilang huling outing, the only team na nakakuha ng 1 set sa Cagayan Valley in their 7 matches was the Philippine Air Force. Of course, in that game against PNP, na 5 sets ng PNP itong Cagayan Valley.
Pero yun yung time na tinatry ni Coach Ness na pagalawin ng solo ang mga Philippine players niya.
Oh, halos hindi pinasok sa pag nadedehado na lang, doon na lang pinapasok yung mga Thai imports. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, Pomla Soraya once again. Abanto, Di Maculangan, quick set, nakaabang ka agad, buhay pa rin daw. And Ortiz will get it across. Soraya now, Eulalio. Binuhay pa rin dali, di na maabutan niya ni Camila Abanto.
Andun yung magaling na coverage itong Philippine Air Force na kahit nabablock na sila ng Cagayan Valley, natataas pa rin nila yung bola.
Right. And now let's take a look at our Rexona slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Heroic effort on the part of Camila Abanto na pumunta ron. Number 1 setter in the league actually, and her service is also pretty good. Nangamote doon si Camila Abanto.
If you see international players na no, sa service pa lang kaya nilang tapusin yung laro.
Right.
Iba talaga ang training nila. Kasi sa service pa lang, makakuha ka ng ace. It's 1 point ahead na.
Isa sa mga sandata ng Lasal Lady Spikers yan. If I notice correctly doon na Michelle, itong si Soraya hits into the net. Ikaw, serve mo, kargado. Serve ni Abby Maraño, kargado. Serve ni Mika Reyes. Everybody. Kasama ba sa training talaga yun?
Kasama talaga. We spent a lot of time sa service lang. Kasi, lagi nga sinasabi ni Coach sa amin, service pa lang kaya mo nang tapusin yan. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-block, hindi mo na kailangan pumalo. Kung kaya mo nang i-ace yan, puntos na kagad.
Right. Aisa Maiso, napalampas naman yung kanyang tira doon. Ortiz, ang ganda naman na serve na yon. Pero good reception there coming from Jonella, and that leads to a good attack coming from Kanika Tipachot. At baba sa isa ang kalamangan dito ngayon ng Air Force.
Sabi ni Coach Ness, ayusin daw ang blocking dahil yun ang kulang ngayon ng Cagayan Valley.
Pagdating sa height, halos patas lang itong 2 team na ito eh. Eulalio, Abanto, D-Mac, setting up Judy Caballejo, and Caballejo ginamit muna ng konti yung net para makaputos. So a few errors from Cagayan Valley and a few lucky breaks naman galing dito sa Air Force, nagbigay sa kanila ng kalamangan ng 2 puntos. Caballejo. Jonella, here's the back set now for Kanika Tipachot. Bullet.
Condition pa rin, Noel. Walang sinabi ang 2-week break.
Semana turned back there by Tabaquero. We are tied at 15. Semana, di makulangan na going to Joy Cases. Tipachot, hindi nasalo yung bola. And the lead goes back to the Philippine Air Force. Labang po ang Air Force against the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
Ako si Aiza Maison ng Cagayan Valley at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's V-League Season 10 Open Conference.
Si Ana